Hello! In this video I'll show you how to change the usage of your BT provided operator connect numbers within your Teams tenant. Let's get into it. When BT uploads your operator connect numbers into Teams, we specify that they can be used either as users or voice applications. By default it is set to users. So if you get some new numbers from us and you want to use them as voice applications, you will need to set it manually. This can be done by anybody who has access to Teams Admin Center. Once you logged in, expand the voice menu and then select phone numbers. On this page you will see all the phone numbers that you have within your tenant, and then you can find number in question using search text box in the right hand corner. For each number you can see the provider, its location, the emergency addresses that have been associated with it, and the most important, available usages. For numbers where we have specified multiple usages, you will see both user and voice app options. For example, this number. When it was uploaded, we specified a primary usage of user, and if you click edit, you can see the number usage displayed. Let's assign it to an end user. To do that, you need to click on change user, new window will pop up, and here you can select voice app and click apply. Now, if you click edit, you can see that the number usage is set to voice app. Here you can select it and pick the resource account that you want to assign that phone number to. Operator Connect does also support fixed line numbers, such as this being useful conference bridges. If you require a number to be used as a conference bridge, then you would need to reach out to the BT help desk who would change that on your behalf. If you have a number in your tenant that doesn't have multiple usages listed under available usages and you want to change that, then you would also need to reach out to our help desk. I hope I was able to help you, and if you have more questions, please go check our user adoption hub. We have more guides and useful resources for you.